Alrighty, here we go. Bringing another one back to y'all. What are we doing today? We got another SNUBBY Standard for you. You got the Taurus right here going on. And we got 357 mags, UMC versus the 38 specials. We're just seeing the feet per second difference. The reason why we call it the SNUBBY Standard is you really can't get any worse than this on any kind of ballistic scenario coming out the short barrel. But here we go. We got 38 special jacketed hollow points, and we got the empty box of UMCs. Those are flat. Yeah. But here we go. Gonna just do 2 shots of each. 38 special first, and the 357, and we'll see what we're getting. 744. 754, so roughly 750 feet per second on the 38 special. Woo! Big kick right there. That's the 357 Magnum going 1281 out of snub nose. Let's do another one. Here we go. And we got an error on that one. That was only 300 feet. But let's just try one. Here we go. Let's see what we can get. $12.69. So yeah, a gigantic difference. 500 feet per second difference between the 357 Magnum and the 38 special out a snub nose. I'm going to tell you what's impressive is the 1269 feet per second out the little guy. Out the piglet, as this gun has been dubbed. But there you go, and there you are. Thanks for watching. All of you, thanks for watching. Except you. Everybody else, good job.